made a little bigger hole than I wanted to coming through the top there, but a little drywall repair won't be that big a deal.
Discussion, drywall, whatever.
Yeah.
I got a little short.
The whole thing is that I couldn't get, because the ceiling joists were too deep to get my paddle bit down in there. So I used my 3/8 long bit and kind of peppered all around it, and then took the pipe away.
Oh, damn. I have spotted my new shoes. In the two unions, the riser pipe will be here, and this is the pipe running up into the attic crawl space. Okay. This is for the regulator positioning. You're a bucket cam.
Huh?
You're a bucket cam.
Bucket cam.
Come
Hey,
on, you're
everybody.
a bucket cam.
Right on. Should I go topless?
If you do.
You seen Plumber's crack?
Yeah.
Plumber's.
I can't wait to catch
Plumber's
Paul.
rack.
It's just it's just a matter of time before I catch Paul on the ground.
Oh my God. All right, well, I am going to terminate in the closet. Close that up. I got the attic closed right now.
You still got your little measuring pencil?
No, I got it all laying over there.
All right, well, let's make a scratch over this thing, because that's where I'll cut your outdoor piping. I got 6'5". Is that too much?
I'd say if you did that right there.
Does your riser go here?
Riser,
Coupling,
regulator.
coupling and brass adapter.
Well, 90. It's going to be a 90. Well, see?
I wouldn't do a 90. If you could shove it out to us, we can hook it up both sides, shove it back in.
Okay. Okay.
And
We'll go straight.
Like I said, it makes no difference if a little brass shows.
Okay. Well, that's the thing, is because that soffit is at an angle, and then right up inside is another like 2x4 at a slant.
Yep.
So we came out, but then you got the pitch of the roof, so it does have to turn rather sharply there. It does have to turn rather sharply.
Seal time. This stuff is good.
Okay.
Now, do I have enough battery to make a cut? Okay, we run a 3/4 inch CSST line under the deck, dug and buried it through here, stubbed up out of the ground for the cooktop that we'll install after we get us a meter to work with. And the line going back down underground, we went under the sidewalk and carried it up over here. Homeowner is doing some kind of little deck area for his grill setup. And this is our final gas riser.
Hey, buddy.
We came pushed out of the ground 1 inch. This line runs all the way back to the start point where the generator is. CSST line go across, and that's what the pool heater and fire pit will attach to. We'll run some underground PE tubing over there when the pool and fire pit get built. Pardon. Right now it's just a forest. Here is the riser for the water heater. Turned out we could not access that corner. I don't have the fitting or the stand pipe for this hookup yet, so we're going to leave this as is until I get it, slip back over here and put it in.